Consider the amount of money you can make by simply using a computer or mobile phone and hitting a few buttons without any prior knowledge or experience. Imagine being able to do that every day for the rest of time. That's quite fantastic, don't you think? This approach is completely free and available to everyone. Please pay close attention to the 2 recommendations I'll be making in this video. You can't use this strategy to its full potential if you miss one of them, so be sure to pay attention and continue to watch. But before we get started, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll show you some brand new ways to make money online in 2022. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. To be notified every time a new profitable video from our channel is released, click the notification bell button. Share this with your friends and family as well, so that you and everyone else is aware of this excellent money-making technique. Simply leave a comment below if you have any queries, worries, or thoughts regarding the video. We look forward to reading them. Now let's begin the video. Today, we will generate money online using the website Paydera.com. But before we visit the website, I strongly advise you to watch this video first because I covered a lot of ground here, such as how to sign up for a free bonuses, quick money-making strategies, and step-by-step demonstrations. I also discussed a mistake you should watch out for in order to successfully pay out. Check out their homepage now. You can earn money with Paydera by completing surveys. You can earn money from your time, and the payoff is prompt. You can anticipate receiving payment right away after joining up, and there are no regional limits. The surveys can be finished on a computer or a mobile device, of course. This website is great since you can start cashing out your money right now and get paid the following day after you reach the $5 minimum payout. You can also have access to an infinite number of daily jobs, allowing you to make as much money as you want every day. As you can see, there are many tasks you may complete on Paydera.com to make money. On one website, you may sign up for different jobs, finish surveys, post videos, invite friends, write articles, and much more to make additional money. They currently have more than 65,000 users, have finished more than 5 million assignments, and have given more than 1 million rewards to people all around the world. Keep an eye out because I'll show you how to generate money similarly. I only need to provide you with hundreds of payment receipts to demonstrate how frequent users of many websites are making money. You can sign up right now and begin utilizing this tactic to earn money. Simply click the blue Create an Account button at the top of the page to register for a free account. After that, you'll be directed to this page where you may register for a free account and start earning money. It's that easy. All you have to do is type in your name, username, email address, and password before selecting Sign Up and Create My Account. Once your account has been properly created, you may begin making money by answering surveys, downloading apps, carrying out tasks, inviting friends, uploading videos, and more. I'll demonstrate how to do this out correctly. You can benefit from a number of services with your limitless surveys, and new surveys are introduced every day. If you want to see more surveys, simply click the refresh button. You're probably thinking that this pools only cost 50 to 60 cents. It's not much money, but now comes the fun part. Let me show you how I substantially raised my revenue just from this website. I'll take you through a live demo and demonstrate the exact button presses you need to make money. I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video so far before we delve any further. Also, if you enjoyed and learned something from this video, please leave a comment below. Let's go back to the video and use this poll as an example. To see a 50-cent payout, all you have to do is click on this green Take Surveys button, which will lead you to a website. The point is that you don't need to answer anything seriously. All you have to do is click on the blue Start Survey button, and it will lead you to this website. You can start taking surveys right away by simply clicking on buttons. They will start questioning you once it has finished loading. For instance, your gender will be the first question asked, male or female, depending on their level of interest in your response, can be clicked. Let's descend further and only click the next button. Make sure you click on this button because it is pretty hidden at the bottom of the website. The web page will load once more, and you will see scroll down to continue below. Simply proceed without responding to anything on this page by scrolling to the very bottom of the website. This website appeals to me since clicking any button will reward you $1. As of right now, we have answered 3 questions, earning you $3. Simply select your referred option, scroll to the bottom, then select the next button to proceed to the next question. You are free to repeat this as frequently as you desire every day. By scrolling down below and selecting the next button for the 4th question, you can continue answering questions. I'll simply repeat the procedure at the bottom of this page after that. As you can see, I immediately added another $1 after finishing this one again. Without really answering any questions, you may just keep repeating the same process. Click the button, click the next button, scroll down below, and click continue to keep making money. You can do this for several surveys if you want to earn even more money. There are countless surveys options. The biggest feature of this website is the ability to unlock surveys that pay out twice as much money after finishing the first 10 surveys. That is a special supplementary technique that no one else has ever mentioned. For example, you can earn $2 for each survey rather than simply $1. To continue earning twice as much for every 10 surveys you complete, be sure to stick with me the same strategy. You might be wondering whether this website is effective or just a scam if it gives you money for clicking buttons. The reason they do that then is so they may display adverts on their website to you. They strive to put as many advertising as they can on a single page because they want you to click on the advertisement accidentally so that they can benefit from it. For instance, they will profit if I unintentionally click on this Pidera advertisement. They want you to keep going to their websites and clicking continue in the hopes that you'll accidentally click an ad so they can make money. The fact is that you should always scroll to the very bottom of a website and click on continue to save time. I haven't heard of anyone else expressing this to you, but that's the way it works. The process can be repeated repeatedly. Sometimes they'll give you an arbitrary question. All you have to do is click on any of the responses. Go down and select next. This website asks user to register. Click on buttons, finish surveys, and earn money there. It's a win-win situation if they execute that effectively, because they will also profit from the paid adverts on their website. Simply ignoring these advertisements is the best course of action because their purpose is to mislead you. Instead, move the cursor to the continue button at the bottom of the page. By simply clicking on the buttons, you can do a variety of jobs on our website and continuously earn money. Since many of you are international, you are welcome to use the platform in any nation that accepts the chance. You can work as much as you like and get full access to everything on Pidera without any country limits. You'll earn more money the more services you offer. Before I forget, here's one more crucial bonus tip. Once you finish all the surveys, you may keep going by just refreshing the website and waiting for new surveys to emerge. They'll show you their new service that you can use when you either keep checking them or receive a notification inside your account. The key in this situation is to just keep doing what I just demonstrated. To continue making money, select the continue option. It's easy to get started. That's it for now. I hope this video was able to teach you something and I was able to show you a different way to make money online. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this video. You may be notified when we upload new videos by pressing the notification bell button. Watch for our upcoming videos and I'll see you there.